How to remove multiple accounts on Facebook app. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Facebook account, and the steps are similar even on your mobile device, so just do it. After opening up your Facebook, simply click on the menu at the bottom or at the top according to your Android or iOS device. After that, you will see a drop down menu right beside your name and click on it. If you're on PC or laptop, click on settings and privacy. Then select the option of settings, and here you get this particular option of accounts center. Simply click on this option of see more in accounts center, and here you get all the different profiles that you have on Facebook or Instagram. Simply select that particular profile and remove it, and this way you would be able to remove multiple Facebook accounts, and this is how you do it. Or you can just simply select this option of accounts, and here you get this particular option to remove it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.